Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here once again on my next work related issue. तो yesterday मैंने अपना ऑफिस वापस ज्वाइन किया आफ्टर द क्रिसमस ब्रेक हेयर. इट वाज रियली वेरी ग्रेट, वेरी रिलैक्सिंग एंड अ फन ब्रेक विद माय फैमिली हियर इन द न्यूजीलैंड. And we went to some places, we had some day trips, we did some household cleaning as well, क्योंकि ये ब्रेक में आपके पास काफ़ी अच्छा एक एनफ टाइम होता है जिसमें आप अपने घर की भी कई चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं, उनको क्लीनिंग कर सकते हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्लीनिंग वर्क हियर एज वेल, so which we did it. And then we also had yummy food. We went to some good places, to good beaches, because the weather was really good one. So I joined my office, and then most of my colleagues also, they joined it, and then we were talking, we were greeting to each other and exchanging our wishes. And uske baad mein we started our normal work. So there is one my colleague who is a very nice guy, okay, and then we were talking to each other. So and he was asking to me that, okay, how were your holidays, what all places you covered, because uski list mein before the break when he told to me there were a lot of places which he wanted to cover, right? So I was also curious to know that, okay, where all he went, but he asked me first. So I was telling him that my holidays were really good one, we had a relaxing one. It was the weather was really good, right? हमने बहुत सनी था, काफ़ी रेडियंट स्काई, एंड देन हम लोगों ने कई बीचेस भी कवर किए, एंड वी वेंट देयर, वी हैड एज अ फैमिली वी हैड लॉट ऑफ फन देयर. So then I asked him, okay, you tell me, did you cover all your places which you were telling before the break was started? Then he was saying ki, yes, I covered all the places, but so here's the thing. Because of his nature, he was telling me, but there was this commute problem, there was the crowd problem, there was the weather problem. एंड आई वॉज लिसनिंग. आई न्यू दैट बिकॉज ये उसके नेचर का एक पार्ट है कि चाहे कितना भी अच्छा हो, बट ही सीज द नेगेटिव थिंग्स इन एवरी गुड थिंग एज वेल. सो ही वॉज टेलिंग कि हम लोग गए घूमने, बट वहाँ वेदर प्रॉब्लम थी, मोस्ट ऑफ द डेज इट वॉज रेनिंग. आई वॉज लिसनिंग एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग इन माई माइंड दैट इट वॉज रेनिंग, बट इट वॉजंट दैट रेनिंग. इट्स लाइक आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास 15 डेज हॉलीडेज़ हैं, अगर आपको उसमें से 8 to 9 डेज़ जो है सनी मिले हैं, वुड यू सी द सनी डेज़ और वुड यू सी दी रेनी डेज़ कि हाँ जो है बाकी के दिन रेन हुई है तो हमें उस पर फोकस करना चाहिए. आई पर्सनली वुड सी दैट द सनी डेज़, आई वुड सी दैट द डेज़ वेयर वी वेंट आउटसाइड एंड वी हैड द लॉट ऑफ फन. Well, anyhow, so we ended the conversation and we were back to our normal work. And later in the day, during our coffee chat, we were talking, and I was telling to him that because he's in my same project, so I was telling him that our project is in a good shape, really good shape. We are really having a very great and strong team, and I'm very optimistic कि हमारी जो delivery है जिस time पे scheduled है उस time पे हमारी delivery 100% होगी. There are some of the integration hiccups, some hiccups are there, but I am really positive that we are gonna to go live on our scheduled date. And then he started again. He started saying that there are the last minute integration issues जो हमेशा आते हैं, and ऐसा है वैसा है, and बहुत ही छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेके he was again started bragging. And then it hit me. I was thinking कि yes, there are the people who listen not to understand, okay, but to find out what can be wrong. And why? Because उनकी personality ही ऐसी होती है. अब ऐसे लोगों के साथ में आप अपना रिलेशन नहीं ख़राब कर सकते, बिकॉज दीज टाइप ऑफ पीपल यू कैन फाइंड आउट एवरीवेयर. दे कैन बी इन योर फ्रेंड सर्कल, दे कैन बी इन योर नेबरहुड, दे कैन बी इन योर रिलेटिव्स, दे कैन बी एट योर वर्क प्लेस. हर जगह आपको ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो हर चीज़ में एक उसका नेगेटिव साइड ही फाइंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू? With my experience and over the period what I have learned, this is very important to protect my peace, okay, and to be respectful as well to the other person. So what I do is, and this is my advice, ऐसे लोगों के साथ में you listen to them but you are not actually listening to them, right? So I nod to them but I am not, and I show that I am listening but I am not listening to them. Why? Because my mental peace is really important. okay, and I cannot spoil my relationship with them, because I mean, I'm not saying that the people are these kind of a people, they are the bad people, they are the good people, but ठीक है, उनकी personality and over the time they also learn, might be उनके, and I'm not the right person to comment on this thing कि उनकी situation कैसी रही है, उनका किस तरीके की company रही है, जिसकी वजह से you know they have become this way, but yeah, whatever it is, you have to find out your way to deal with such people. Now sometimes I gently say this to the person ki, okay, do you want me to work on the solution for you, do you want to really find out the solution, okay, what's next? If the situation is wrong, you are seeing a wrong side of the situation, then there should be definitely a way to correct it, to find out the solution, right? So do you want me to find out the solution? And then sometimes they stop it as well. So overall I'm just trying to say कि अगर आपको ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं, don't get stressed, don't feel like yes, everything is so negative, everything is so bad. Protect your peace, protect your dignity, okay? Thank you so much for listening to me. Write me in a comment if you are dealing with such kind of a people, or you have ever dealt with such kind of a people. How do you respond? We are here to learn how to respond calmly. Thank you so much. Let's grow with love, grow with togetherness.